guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I actually treat my dull, dry and damaged hair because of coloring. You can see that my hair is very dry and dull at this moment, and I have been trying out a range that has keratin XS. The product range is so worth it, and I always swear by the brand in itself. So it is the Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 range, and this is a one solution to 5 problems that are dehydration, split ends, brittleness, straw like texture and stiffness. The product range has shampoo, conditioner, serum which repairs 5 signs of damage. It is now infused with keratin excess that penetrates deep into the hair fiber, hence giving the most quick and effective results. The first step in the range is the repairing shampoo that has 4% repair concentrate with keratin XS. It is known to aid penetration into hair and helps repair and reinforces fibers strength for silky and healthy looking hair. So this shampoo retails for 179 rupees and you get 192.5 ml of the product. So this is how the packaging of the shampoo looks. And how I like to apply this shampoo is take a little bit and lather it up with water, and I actually mix it with water to lather it up really well and apply it onto my scalp and also the length of my hair. I usually mix this with water. That is how you actually have to use shampoos, and that is how I personally use, and it has helped me so much. The second step in the range is the restoring conditioner that has 9% repair concentrate with keratin excess. So this is how the packaging of the conditioner looks. It is priced at 209 rupees for 192.5 ml of the product. And how you use the conditioner is to, after applying shampoo, you apply the conditioner on the lengths and leave it for 1 minute and then rinse it off. I have never been a conditioner person, but I cannot tell you how much of a difference this conditioner makes to your hair. I would highly recommend you guys to try it for yourself and see how this works wonders on your hair. This is my hair right after shampoo and conditioner, and I have dried it naturally. I've not used any heating tools on my hair today, and you can see how much my hair feels softer and better looking. And the last step in the range and the most favorite step is the serum. I really love how this serum makes your unmanageable damaged hair manageable, and your hair looks extremely smooth and shiny right after you use this serum. And I definitely recommend this product, and you have to try this for yourself to see how this works magically on your hair. And this one retails for 175 rupees and you get 40 ml of the product. And how I like to use this serum on my hair is by taking a little amount of the serum on my palms, and I now will spread the serum all over my palm and also between the fingers. I will just show you how I do that. So this is how I actually take the serum between my fingers, such that I run through it via my hair so that it spreads evenly. And also I have to mention that this serum smells really good, and it is not overpowering at all. And once you apply the serum, you cannot stop touching your hair. It is so smooth and so shiny. You will see that for yourself. I'm not even kidding. So this is how my hair looks right after using the complete range, and this has been a definite savior for my dull damaged hair and I've been able to manage it with the Total Repair 5. And if you like this video, you can try the range for yourself. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.